Welcome to the IQ-Touch Digital Signage Pro Series. This interactive digital signage solution provides a smart and convenient experience for your public spaces. Whether it's for retail kiosks, self-service stations, or hotel check-in systems, it meets your needs. Today, we will guide you on how to use this device efficiently. First, ensure the device is connected to power, and press the power button to turn it on. The IQ-Touch Digital Signage Pro Series features ultra-sensitive 10-point capacitive touch technology. With just a light touch, the device responds instantly, allowing for smooth, precise actions, whether it's scrolling, tapping, or zooming. The Pro Series comes with dual 5W or 10W stereo speakers that support audio playback. Adjust the volume through the settings menu for an optimal audio-visual experience. The Pro Series also supports system settings, allowing you to adjust parameters like brightness and contrast to ensure the best viewing experience in different environments. Additionally, the device's intelligent thermal management system keeps it running stably during long hours of operation, ensuring 24/7 uptime. Once you're done, you can safely power off the device using the power button. Thank you for watching this operation guide. The IQ-Touch Digital Signage Pro Series will help you deliver a smarter, more efficient user experience. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our technical support team.